Good morning. I am Saji Jamal from the Talk Power, and today is 18th of March 2026. And today I have given you a thought from a motivational speaker from America, Dennis Waitley. This man was born in the year 1933 and he died just recently in the year 2025. What he says in the thought, let's see if we succeed without sacrifice. अगर हम कामयाब होते हैं बिना कुर्बानी का, बिना कोई बलिदान दिए हुए, बिना कोई त्याग किए हुए, इट्स बिकॉज समवन सेक्रीफाइस फॉर अस, इसलिए कि किसी और ने हमारे लिए बलिदान दिया, कुर्बानी दिया. A great thought by a great man. See, most of the time when we get a success without losing anything, without any sacrifice, we think that we have got this success but through luck or through my own hard work or through my own dedication and my good deeds. But let me tell you one thing: if you have got anything, achieve any success in your life without your own hard work, it means that there is someone behind you who has done all the hard work for you, who has done all the sacrifice for you. And most of the time, this person is your parents, and sometimes your teachers, and even your own relatives, and also your friends. So just see who is behind your success. Give them the regards, give them the respect, and give them the things, the honors that they deserve. In the grammar section today, I have given you information about the countable noun. Countable nouns are those nouns which can be counted. Countable nouns are for things we can count using numbers. They have a singular and a plural form. Uncountable nouns do not have these things. And the singular form can be used with the determiner a or an. Article a or an can be applied before that countable noun. In the uncountable noun, we don't use these things. If you want to ask the quantity of a countable noun, you ask how many combined with the plural countable noun. As for example, one dog, two dogs, one man, two men, one idea, two ideas, one shop, two shops. Examples are: she has three dogs, I own a house, I would like two books, please. How many friends do you have? In today's column, what we get? In today's column, what we get? We know about the significant birthdays of today. Rudolf Diesel. Rudolf Diesel, uh, the man who invented the diesel engine. His birthday is today. In the year 1858, he was born. And today, Sasi Kapoor, our great Indian actor, Sasi Kapoor, the son of Raj Kapoor, was not son, I mean the brother of Raj Kapoor, was born today in the year 1938. And we celebrate his birthday today. So happy birthday to these great people. And today, in the historical significance, in the year 1801, today, the first ordnance factory in India was established at Kosipur, Kolkata. Because of this, we celebrate the Ordnance Day, Ordnance Factories Days today in India. Ordnance means, in the simple sense, ordnance means Agyadesh, Agya. And ordnance factory means ऐसी जगह जहाँ हथियार बनता हो, where weapons are made, जहाँ हथियार बनते हो, उसको ऑर्डिनेंस फैक्ट्री कहते हैं. तो द फर्स्ट ऑर्डिनेंस फैक्ट्री इन इंडिया वाज एस्टैब्लिश्ड एट कोसीपुर, कोलकाता in 1922. Today, I mean on 18th of March, महात्मा गांधी was sentenced to 6 years in prison. महात्मा गांधी को सजा दिया गया. सेंटेंस में सजा देना भी होता है वाक्य के अलावा भी. तो सेंटेंस इन 6 years in prison in India for civil disobedience, असहयोग आंदोलन के कारण उनको 6 साल की सजा दी गई आज के दिन. Observances, as because the first ordnance factory was established today in Kolkata, we celebrate Ordnance Factories Day today. And the other celebration is Supreme Sacrifice Day is today. Supreme means सर्वश्रेष्ठ, सबसे ऊंचा, सबसे अच्छा. Sacrifice, बलिदान, कुर्बानी को कहते हैं. Sacrifice Day today. On this day, we honor those who sacrifice their life for a good cause. उन लोगों के लिए उनको सम्मान देते हैं आज के दिन, जिन्होंने बलिदान दिया, कुर्बानी दिया अपनी जिंदगियों का एक अच्छे कारण के लिए, अच्छे मकसद के लिए. नो मैटर हाउ स्मॉल द कॉज माइट हैव बीन, चाहे जितना भी छोटा वो कारण रहा हो, मकसद रहा हो, लेकिन हम उनको सम्मान देते हैं. द सैक्रिफाइस ऑफ अ बिलियनियर 1915. There was a billionaire named Alfred Vanderbilt. He was a womanizer, actually, a playboy, you may say, a billionaire who did a lot of fun and enjoyment. But once, when he was traveling in a boat, he saved the boat to capsize, and many women and children were drowning. He saved many women and many children, and he sacrificed his own life for them. And so we remember this man on the sacrifice day. There are some thought given to us by some people on the sacrifice day. Mia Hamm, what he or she tells, it isn't sacrifice you if you love what you are doing. अगर किसी काम के प्रति आपको मोहब्बत लगाव है, अगर आप इंजॉय करते हैं काम को, तो वो काम को सेक्रीफाइस नहीं करते। बहुत सारे लोग समाज सेवा करते हैं, मतलब समाज सेवा क्या, वो इंजॉय करते हैं समाज सेवा करते हुए, उनको नींद ही नहीं आता अगर किसी का सेवा ना करें। तो वो जब इंजॉय करेंगे तो वो सेक्रीफाइस नहीं होगा। जब चैलेंजेस होंगे, कठिनाइयाँ होंगी, then it will be a sacrifice, otherwise it is not called a sacrifice. What Charlie Finley tells us, sweat plus sacrifice equals success. ये कहता है कि पसीना प्लस बलिदान ये इज इक्वल टू कामयाबी। तो कामयाबी आपको ऐसे नहीं मिलता, पसीना गिराना पड़ता है। यू हैव टू perspire, you have to sweat, and also you have to lose something to gain something, means to gain success. APJ Abdul Kalam, the great missile man of our country, what he says, let us sacrifice our today. चलो हम लोग सब कुर्बानी देते हैं अपने आज का, so that ताकि our children can have a better tomorrow, ताकि हमारे बच्चों का भविष्य बेहतर हो। This is what Abdul Kalam has said. If you want your children to have a better future, you have to sacrifice something. अगर आज आप रसगुल्ला नहीं खाएंगे तो कल आपके बच्चे क्या खाएंगे? तब रसगुल्ला खाएंगे, नहीं तो उनको बिस्किट की सूखी रोटी भी मिलने वाला नहीं। थैंक यू वेरी मच, हैव अ नाइस डे।